This is Garrett shotgunning a Four Loco. Shotgunning a Four Loco. Do work. Watch out, man. Do work. Here we go. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Half man, half beast. Oh.
Hey, Ricky.
Queer.
Yeah,
how do you feel, bro?
Oh my god. I just feel dumb because I thought juice popped the wrong side, and so when I went up too far, it spilled. Did it get on this hat?